Here I have Nokia 8.3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So you can just go to the upper bar here, and here you have this button Night Light, which is the name for the night mode on this device. Tap on it once and you can enable this mode. If you hold your finger on this button, you can also access some of its settings. You can set a schedule for it here, you can set your custom time, or you can just set it to from sunset to sunrise, and you can also change its intensity here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.